Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the importance of application programming interface. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of application programming interface. Application programming interfaces or APIs plays a crucial role in modern software development and the overall functioning of digital systems. Here are some of the key reasons why APIs are important. Number 1. Encapsulation and modularity. APIs provide a layer of abstraction that encapsulates the underlying implementation details of a software component or service. This allows developers to interact with the functionality of a system without needing to understand the complexities of the internal workings. APIs promote modularity by breaking down complex systems into smaller manageable components, making software development more organized and maintainable. Number 2. Interoperability and integration. APIs enable different software systems to communicate and interact with each other seamlessly by defining a set of standardized rules and protocols. APIs facilitate interoperability between various applications, platforms, and devices. This promotes integration, enabling developers to combine and leverage existing functionalities and data from different sources to create more powerful and comprehensive applications. Number 3, development efficiency. APIs accelerate the development process by providing pre-built functionalities and services. Instead of reinventing the wheel, developers can leverage APIs to access features like authentication, data storage, payment processing, geolocation, social media integration, and much more. This speeds up development time, resources, complexity, and allow developers to focus on their core business logic. Number 4, scalability and flexibility. APIs enabling software systems to scale and adapt to changing requirements efficiently by exposing specific functionalities through APIs. Organizations can update or replace underlying systems without affecting the external interfaces. This promotes flexibility as developers can build on top of existing APIs and extend the capabilities of their applications without having to overhaul the entire system. Number 5, ecosystem and innovation. APIs foster the creation of developer ecosystem and promote innovation. When organizations provide APIs, they enable external developers and partners to build on top of their platform, expanding the possibilities of and reach of their services. This encourages collaboration, drives innovation, and leads to the development of diverse and creative applications that may not have been possible otherwise. Number 6, user experience and accessibility. APIs enable the development of applications that provide seamless user experiences across different platforms and devices. By integrating with APIs, developers can access and leverage functionalities from various sources, enriching their applications with features that enhance user engagement, personalization, and convenience. In summary, APIs are vital for software development, enabling encapsulation, interoperability, efficiency, scalability, flexibility, ecosystem growth, and improve user experiences. They empower developers to leverage existing functionalities, integrate systems, and drive innovation, ultimately leading to the creation of powerful, interconnected, and user-friendly applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation and report about the importance of application programming interface. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.